For this installation, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. Just above the license plate is the light. Insert your screwdriver into the gap on the side of the light and push in the locking tab to pry it free. And you can see how pushing in the locking clip pulls the assembly down. Rotate the socket into the side of the assembly counterclockwise to remove it. Pull the bulb out, replace with the LED bulb, and test it. Push the socket back into the housing and turn it clockwise to lock it. Push one side of the assembly in first, and then push up the other side. Now we'll repeat those same steps on the other side. Pry open the locking tab with your screwdriver. Turn the socket clockwise and pull out the incandescent bulb. Replace with the LED and test it. Put the socket back into the housing and turn it clockwise to lock it. Push one side of the assembly in first, and then push up the other side. When compared to the OEM bulb, the LED is a much brighter, cleaner white light.